Thinking about picking up the Acer Predator Helios 16 or Helios 18 in 2025? Both of these laptops are absolute powerhouses, but which one is the right fit for you? In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know: performance, display quality, battery life, and more to help you make the best decision. Stick around till the end because that's when we'll reveal which laptop comes out on top. Oh, and don't forget to check the description for the latest prices and deals. If you find this video helpful, give it a like. It means a lot and helps support the channel. Now let's get into it. The Acer Predator Helios 16 and Helios 18 both carry the bold, gamer-centric design that's become a signature of Acer's Predator lineup, but they cater to slightly different needs when it comes to size and portability. The Helios 16 is the more compact of the two, designed for gamers who want a balance of power and portability. With its 16-inch display and a weight of 5.9 pounds, it's relatively easy to carry around for a gaming laptop. The build quality is solid overall, though the lid has a bit of flex, which might feel less premium to some. The RGB-lit Predator logo on the back adds a nice touch of flair, giving it that unmistakable gaming vibe. On the other hand, the Helios 18 is a beast in terms of size. With its 18-inch display and a weight of 7.1 pounds, it's more of a desktop replacement than something you'd want to lug around often. That said, it's still lighter than some of its competitors, like the Alienware M18R2, though it's undeniably bulkier compared to other 18-inch models. The design is similar to the Helios 16, with the same RGB-lit Predator logo and rear-facing lighting, but the Helios 18 opts for a more understated look. Its plastic chassis doesn't quite have the premium feel of some higher-end laptops, but it gets the job done. One area where the Helios 18 really shines is its keyboard. The larger size allows for a more spacious layout, and it comes with customizable per-key RGB backlighting, much like the Helios 16. However, the Helios 18 takes it a step further with Acer's MagKey 3.0 system, which lets you swap out the WASD keycaps for a more personalized touch. A nice feature for gamers who want that extra level of customization. When it comes to ports, both laptops are well equipped, but the Helios 18 goes the extra mile. It includes additional Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports and a micro SD slot, making it a better choice for users who need more connectivity options, whether for gaming or content creation. The Helios 16 still offers a solid selection of ports for most gaming and peripheral needs, but the Helios 18 is clearly aimed at those who demand more versatility. When it comes to displays, both deliver impressive visuals, but they cater to slightly different preferences. The Helios 16 features a 16-inch 2560 by 1600p IPS panel with a blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate, making it a fantastic choice for gamers who want smooth motion and vibrant colors. The screen is bright, with excellent contrast, making games and movies look stunning and immersive. On the other hand, the Helios 18 steps it up with its 18-inch mini LED display. It shares the same 2560 by 1600p resolution, but bumps the refresh rate to 250 Hz and adds G-Sync support. The mini LED technology really shines here, offering deeper blacks, better contrast, and higher peak brightness, which makes it a standout for gaming in darker environments. Plus, the larger screen size is great for multitasking or just enjoying a more expansive gaming experience. Now, let's talk about webcams because, let's be honest, neither of these laptops is winning any awards here. The Helios 16 comes with a basic 720p webcam, which is fine for quick video calls, but doesn't deliver much in terms of sharpness or detail. The Helios 18 steps it up slightly with a 1080p webcam, but the improvement is minimal. The image quality is still fuzzy and lacks clarity, so if you're someone who relies on a good webcam for streaming, content creation, or professional meetings, you might want to consider an external camera. As for the keyboards and trackpads, both laptops are clearly designed with gamers in mind. The Helios 16 features a 4-zone RGB keyboard with MagKey 3.0 mechanical WASD keys, which feel responsive and satisfying to type or game on. That said, the right shift key feels a bit cramped, which might take some getting used to. The trackpad is spacious but has a quirk. It doesn't support full click functionality in the upper section, which can make drag and drop actions a little awkward. The Helios 18, being larger, offers a more spacious keyboard layout with per-key RGB lighting and customizable mechanical keys. It's just as responsive as the Helios 16's keyboard, but the extra space makes it feel more comfortable for extended gaming sessions. The trackpad is similarly decent, though. Like the Helios 16, it's clear that both laptops prioritize keyboard performance over trackpad precision. Battery life is where both models show their limitations. The Helios 16 manages just over 4 hours of continuous web browsing, while the Helios 18 stretches to about 5 hours. While the Helios 18's larger battery gives it a slight edge, neither laptop is built for long stretches of unplugged use. They're really designed to be plugged in for gaming or heavy workloads, so if you're looking for something with all-day battery life, these might not be the best fit. When it comes to performance, both are absolute beasts, but they cater to slightly different needs depending on what you're looking for. The Helios 16 is powered by the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and an RTX 4080 GPU, which is a killer combo for gaming and multitasking. It handles 1440p gaming with ease, delivering smooth, high frame rate gameplay that'll satisfy even the most demanding gamers. That said, its smaller size does mean it struggles a bit with sustained workloads, as the compact design limits its ability to cool as effectively as its bigger sibling. Enter the Helios 18. It packs the same i9-14900HX processor, but pairs it with the more powerful RTX 4090 GPU. This gives it a noticeable edge, not just in gaming, but also in content creation. If you're into graphically demanding AAA titles or heavy-duty tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, or CAD work, the Helios 18's RTX 4090, with its extra video RAM and raw power, makes it the better choice. Plus, the 18-inch mini LED display isn't just bigger. It's brighter, more color-accurate, and offers better contrast, making it a dream for creative professionals who need a precise and vibrant screen. For gaming, both laptops are fantastic, but the Helios 18's larger screen and RTX 4090 give it a clear advantage. The bigger display makes games feel more immersive, and the extra GPU power ensures you're getting the best possible performance, especially in demanding titles. That said, the Helios 16 is no slouch. It's still a gaming powerhouse, and its more compact size makes it a better option if you need something you can take with you without lugging around the extra weight of the Helios 18. So, which Predator reigns supreme? If portability matters, the Helios 16 is a beast in a smaller package, but for ultimate power and that stunning mini LED display, the Helios 18 takes the crown. It's the clear winner for those wanting a true desktop replacement. Choose the 18 for peak performance or the 16 for a great balance.